What's up, guys? I'm back with another how-to. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new form in Microsoft Forms. Stay tuned. All right, here's an easy how-to create a brand new Microsoft Forms. All you're going to do is open up the Microsoft Forms page. You're going to go up here where it's going to give you a couple of options. So new form, new quiz, or quick import, where you can import a previous quiz and build off of that. Right now, for today, we're just going to click a new form. Something like this is going to pop up. It's very blank. And so basically it's a free-for-all. You just get to fill out exactly how you want it to be. So my form is going to be titled, "How was your day?" You're just going to give it a title. You can give it a description. And then it gives you all of these options here of how to form your form or your quiz or whatever you're creating. So my first one, I'm going to make a choice. And I'm going to say, and then I'm going to give two options. I'll give it three options. And then you can change it for people to select multiple answers. You can turn on the toggle for required. That way, people cannot finish the quiz without completing this question. And then it's just going to generate more down here. So then I'm going to say text for this one. And then it gives people an answer box. Again, you can turn on the toggle for long answer. You can turn on the toggle for required. And then as you're continuing to create your forms, it's going to give you recommended options for your form. Or you can select the down arrow to see more options to fill out your form. So rating, date, ranking, files, all sorts of things you can add. And then once you're done, it automatically saves. So you can just click the Forms button right up here in the top. I'm going to click My Forms because I know that's exactly where it's going to be. And it's going to be right here. And then once you're ready to send it out to people, you're just going to click Collect Responses, and it's going to give you a ton of options of how to share your form. So you can first select who can respond, and then you can select how you're going to send your form out. So link, invitation, QR code, or just embedded in whatever you're sending. And that's basically it. I hope you guys found this super helpful today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.